Imagine nothingness, and from nothingness imagine the appearance of a single dot. The dot represents consciousness, or the element of the created coming to awareness. It represents the Most High. Now Genesis 1 verse 1 gives us some more information to further develop this concept that from nothingness consciousness is created. It reads, "In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth." In Hebrew, this same verse reads, "Bereshit bara Elohim et hashemayim ve et haaretz." And the word here to pay attention to is bara. Bara means to create, but it's also translated to consciousness. Similarly, in Eastern spiritual systems such as Hinduism, this understanding can be found. For example, the deity Brahman or Brahma, the creator god, is also translated to mean consciousness, as he is said to be the spiritual core of the universe. The aforementioned then begs this question: what is consciousness? A simple way to describe consciousness is to be aware. That could mean awareness of oneself or one's environment or surrounding. Thus, in order to be conscious, there must first be something that you are aware of. To create consciousness, the Most High manifested himself into 3 different entities, but for now we'll just focus on 2. These 2 entities are Elohim and Tehum. Together, they form a sacred geometric structure that represents the union of masculine and feminine energy at the center point of intersection and is known as the Vesica Pisces. There are different types of energies associated with both Elohim and Tehum. The white dot, or Elohim, is negentropic energy and is characterized by a decrease of chaos and an increase of order. On the other hand, the black dot, or Tehum, is entropic energy and is characterized by a reduction of order and the increase of chaos. Consider, for example, the different phases of matter. Matter can exist as either a solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. The transition between phases can be used to understand the characteristics of both negentropic and entropic energies. Transitioning from solid to a gas is an example of entropic energy, because the atoms or molecules go from being organized to unorganized. The opposite is true for negentropic energy, because the atoms or molecules go from being unorganized to organized. Now, as a recap, Elohim is negentropic energy. Think of the molecules going from chaotic to more orderly. Tehum is entropic energy. Think of the atoms or molecules going from a state of orderly to a state of chaos. Join me in the next episode.